Walmart curbside pickup notifications can stop working when the app does not have the right permissions, background access is disabled, or the app is not syncing correctly with your account. By the end of this video, you'll know how to fix missing Walmart curbside notifications and which phone settings control pickup alerts. Start by checking your Walmart app notification settings. Open your phone settings, find Walmart, and make sure notifications are allowed. If notifications are blocked, the app cannot send pickup updates to your device. Next, check your phone's notification settings. On iPhone, open Settings, select Notifications, choose Walmart, and turn on Allow Notifications. On Android, open Settings, select Apps, choose Walmart, and confirm notifications are enabled. You should also check whether your phone is blocking background activity. Curbside updates may not appear if the Walmart app cannot refresh while running in the background. On Android, check the Walmart app battery settings and allow background activity if it is restricted. On iPhone, check background app refresh in Settings, and make sure Walmart is enabled. Open the Walmart app and confirm you are signed into the correct account. Curbside pickup updates are connected to the account used when placing the order, so the wrong account can prevent you from seeing order notifications. Check your order status directly inside the Walmart app. Open your account, go to your orders, and select the curbside pickup order. This shows the latest order information even if a notification did not appear. If notifications still do not arrive, close the Walmart app completely and reopen it. This can refresh the connection between the app and your account. Restart your phone if the issue continues. A restart can fix temporary notification problems caused by the operating system. You should also update the Walmart app from the App Store or Google Play Store. An outdated app version can cause features like notifications to stop working correctly. If the problem remains, reinstall the Walmart app. Delete the app, download it again from the official App Store, and sign back into your account. Avoid relying only on push notifications for time-sensitive pickup information. Check the Walmart app directly before leaving for the store to confirm your order status. To recap, enable Walmart notifications, allow background activity, verify the correct account, update the app, and reinstall it if needed. Your next step is to open your phone settings and confirm Walmart notifications are turned on. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Walmart troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.